Kurumjari. Sktv'S News na sandukjari ba Manipuri pau yingbiri bising butaram nukjari ahan bada moroiba pau sing pangbigani. Indo-Myanmar border fencing khaba lep kadabane amasung FMR amukhana chanhangadabane haina taksiladuna naga taba mafamsingda UNC na matam kaktaba economic blockade haukhrai. Amasung BJP के senior leader Kaksing Esuge Hanagi MLA Y Surchandra Oina Mesuge Hanagi MLA L Radha Kishore Yaunam Yoy Ahum Indian National Congress the Yaukrai. Hozimiam the Pau Santona Pizeri Indo-Myanmar border fencing Kaba Lepka the Benemasung border da free movement regime FMR Amukhana Sanahangada Haina Taxiladuna Naga Tabama Pumsingda United Naga Council UNC na matam kaktaba economic blockade hokrai tha asigi nipan gi ahing nungai dagi hokiba matam kaktaba economic blockade asina maram oiduna national highway singda potsai puba gari sing satpada sauna apanba oirei kongjang asigi manungsana national highway number 2 Imphal Dimapur lambi paringda Sanapati district ke tafauda blockade sogotpa singna truck sing khamduna akan momongda sektobagi thabak sathaki hairi masina maram oiduna lambi paring asida Sanapati district 4 ga Imphal tamna Tangai fadana changba miyam ge potchoi sing pusilakpa yakhidre gari sing lambida panduna leina ba yaure hairi naga sing na khunda ba atai mafam sing da su blockade ki khongjang hokre hairi Indo-Myanmar border fencing lab kadabani amasung border da free movement regime FMR amukhana sanahan gadabani haiba demand sing da center na nasung de amadi positive response pi de haiduna haukiba August ke tang 13 da pangthokiba United Naga Council UNC gi Presidential Council meeting na laukiba warek ki matungina Naga taba mafam singda September 9 dagi matam kaktaba economic blockade ki khongjang sangsinaba lauthokibani BJP gi senior leader ani yauna mioi ahum Indian National Congress ta ngarang yaukrai ngarang New Delhi gi Indira Bhavan 98 Kotla Road ta leiba All India Congress Committee AICC ge office ta Ningthina Khanaraba matung ayaba pirakpadage Manipur ge in charge oiriba Congress ge MP Sabzagiri Shankar Ulakana Kaksing Assembly Constituency ge hanige MLA Y Surchandra Oinam Assembly Constituency ge hanige MLA L Radha Kishore amadi International Entrepreneur Elvigo Circuit Private Limited ke founder amasung managing director oiriba Thanga Assembly Constituency dagi Uttam Kumar Ningthaujambu taramna oktuna party da yawbada ayaba pk makoibu Taram Opage Thoramaduda MPCC ge President Kaisam Megasandra M Kaisam Amadi Zotin Waikum Susarugaki Congress na nongna yaronglaba BJP ge senior leader singna hairakpada makoina BJP bu thadoklamni ba sugi asoba maram Manipur da tholiba sahi ani helaba irang asida center da leiriba BJP na lusingba singna lana uhanba Manipur gi miyamna saurokpa maramna thadoklambani tungkoina satpa miyam gi thabak tauna ba yenglakpada Congress party sina phare haina sanglakibani Manipur da ing tappa maraset ka da balengak ama soidana Congress party na semlaklagani haibigi thaza bagaloinana makhoi party asida yaurpani hairi Imphal East District ke Lamlai Assembly Constituency ke manungsana leiriba yagang pokpi Santi Khongbal sabung kokkunong na singba mapam kyada kutsem gi ising isaw thoklei ngarang ahing nong khara tarbasu nong taba aduda mapam adudagi leivak fawba leikhom thokpa ngamkhide adubu ngasi nongalakpa matung ayuk pung taruk adwai dagi hoduna khanghoduna lokhong turel ge imai wangkhalpuna turel miada lei bayum ngagi farm lawfam amadi yenganu loiduna imung pujriba mioi kyada sauna awaba saitheng pire hairi Mafam asida leiriba ngagi farm sing ising na tumjin ki yen nganu kya ising tumjin ba aduna maram moiduna sigrei maruina sabung ko khunau Santi Khongbal sing ba mafam kya da leiriba kunja sing mana khangna sana mafam kya da potsai hondok tuna matam kharagi sangjapam launa ba yaurei hojik phabu yoinadi yagam popi police ki team ama laktuna yengchilamba natana mari leina balenga ki mioi amata laktuna yengshinba leitri hairi Sina Kaichel Imphal lambi paringe molnom da ngarang ayuk passenger bus amada tonglakpa passenger singda kuki militant sina kihan khangan bagi thabak satharamabu Sagolmang area Naga Students Association Sansana akan momong da yaning da phongdorglei Sansagi president Sankhui Raikhana Thador ki bache rolmada ngarang ayuk pung tare makhairum tark matamda khulai matik sana paiba kuki militant singna passenger bus adubu khamlaga makhogi kem amasung mafam sing video record tawbra haina khangdokna ba passenger singi mobile phone sing lausinduna sek tawbagi thabak sathaduna kihan khangan ki thawng asigi dabak kuki militant singi ka hen ba amadi ngaksau thekpa thong nei asigumba kuki militant singi mathakta authority na sabsa ba thabak lokot kadabani amadi lambi da satok sasin tawriba miyamgi soida ngamdana ba thabak paikhat kadabani haina taksilakli asiguma thawng asi yasina ba yaroida ba amani karigumba makhatana thawng sing asi satharak sansana tumina yengduna leiroi miyamgi interest ta ngakna ba amadi madugi sabsana thabak paikhat kani hairi ngasi Thobal district ki manung sana leriba Thobal police station na konba sanga infamda akano pawmo fangmadagi BSF amadi district police ki apunba kangbu amana sangai infam Serapur mathak laikai dagi nufa ama masing yamlaba Sam FX plus capsule amadi tus Rex TR cough syrup ka kona na fagat pangam krahari police gi phangba pawgi matung ina ngasi sathaki ba tibhomba thabak adu Thobal district police ki additional superintendent of police law and order Surasna Lusingduna commando gi team amadi women police ki yauna BSF ke troops sing yauna sathaki combined team na farbami adu sangai umfam Serapur mathak laikai dagi Ruhina Mapuraiba Muhammad Avas Khan kawi hairi mahana haidorpagi matungina masing yamlaba Sam FX plus capsule chama kun Tasrex TR cough syrup bottle kudmapan ahangba sapon kef nipan Muhammad Avas Khan amadi Ruhina ge ID oiva document sing yauri hagalaba nisagi polum sing amadi nupi adu Thobal police station da makataba thabak lokhan aba senakre hairi nupa singna tawriba thabak singdagi nupi singna su tadana tawbang ngamli haina Manipur University gi vice chancellor professor N Lokendra na phangdokrai Central Lenga Kimine Makada Manipur University campus ta leiba State Bank of India SBI na sinduna corporate social responsibility CSR gi makada Veti Vasau Veti Farau Khongthang manung sana lenga ki school da tamba nupi masa mahiroi kuntrani thoi denga si bicycle singen thokrai Manipur University da pangthoki ba thoramadu ga bari lenena vice chancellor professor N Lokendra na phongdoki bada hojiki matamasi da nupi singna honaba kanbadagi mahi machine gi lam khakta natana tuan bihiram kya da mai paktuna mangjil thabangam lei Manipur University da su hojik mahiroi nupa dagi nupi na sangwang na mahi tamlei nupa na sada nipu mapanam di nupi na sada yankhai mathoi oiri Nakalamoromda lamda masida sahi ani hena tholiba irang asina maram oiraga lanjana duna leiriba miyoi singi damaktasu Manipur University da mahi tambu matamda admission fee tuition fee hostel fee singda komthoklei certificate amadi marksheet lobadasu sel gi awaba lehendana bohonari SBI na paikhaloliba khongthang asina socio economic transformation da asoba thodang lauri Manipur University da leiriba teaching non teaching staff sing yauna mahiroi sing khakta natana university asigi akoiba da leiriba miyoi kya da su Manipur University ki campus ta hangliba SBI branch asina banking system da kanaba kya piri haiki
I would like to thank and congratulate the SBI team from the Guwahati circle as well as from the different branch offices of Manipur and the neighboring states for giving Manipur University this opportunity of hosting this particular program of handing over 30 bicycles to the girl students of different schools from Manipur. Manipur University for a long time has been reposing its absolute faith and confidence in the banking potentialities and therefore all our employees, the faculties, the non-teaching staff and even the guest faculties and the contract employees, they have been absolutely satisfied with the services offered by SBI in Manipur University branch.
Thorom maduga mari lenena SBI Guwahati Circle gi General Manager Pravas Bose na phongdoki bada SBI na CSR funding gi makada paikhali ba khongthang asi women empowerment lehna bagi damak nei nupi masa singna makhoi gi maroi ba matamadu manghandana sanaba amadi mahi mashinda mai onsinduna honaba mathau tai haiki
young girls who are sitting here who will be getting those cycles today, I think you can take a lot of inspiration from the other side of young girls who are standing here, who are our SBI's employees. I think that is very, very encouraging to see that large number of woman power already is here from SBI side also. So I request all of you, the girl child or the parents who are sitting here, to inspire them to join some of the great of the organization. Not only SBI, it could be university, it could be SBI, or it could be anywhere, or you become independent entrepreneur. A lot of opportunities are there. This country is full of opportunities. Please invest this important time of your life in your studies, in sports. So that will shape your life in days to come. So all my best wishes, and I appreciate the local SBI team who have arranged this program so nicely. All my best wishes to SBI team as well as all the girl child present here. And I again thank the university team, sir, who are so much kind to us in giving us space, not only for branch, for all other programs, for our plantation drive, everything. So we remain thankful to you, sir, and trust that you will continue to support us in the manner you are doing till now.
Paugi Marathan attend Prem Tang Luminase. SKTV na local operator singidamak nungairaba pau puduna luxury high speed internet IPTV OTT yauna atay khudong saba kya piriba SKTV gi saruk ama oibiu franchise ki khuthangda mapangal kalaba connection facility leijare local cable operator ama oiduna niyamda news amasung entertainment program sing yohanbiu SKTV gi technology amasung magul leiraba service asida adumsi yawiu Akupa Marol Gidamak mobile number 7005259437 Natraga 8974209157 da call tawbiratuna khangbiba yagani Humpunipan Suba Irengbam Chauren Mapok Numit Ningsing Tharunga Mari Lenana Irengbam Chauren Memorial Trust na Senduna Irengbam Chauren Memorial Essay Writing Competition Lisingani Kunmanga Lakliba October Gitang Tarani Thoigi Ayupung Tarama Thoidagi Nungtil Pung Ani Fauba Pangthok Lagani Political Status of Manipur 1947 to 1949 Haiba Wakhalonda Sangdamnabasi Kanglup Ani Thongna Pangthokani Class 8 tagi 10 Faubagi Mahiroi Singi Oina Catholic School Kanchipurda Aduga Class 11 amasung Mathaki Mahiroi Singi Oina Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipurda Pangthokani Sangdamnabasi Ahanba Manada Certificate Kaloina Lupali Singkun Anisuba Manada Certificate Kaloina Lupali Sing Taramanga Ahum Suba Manada Certificate Kaloina Lupali Sing Tara Oigani Certificate Kaloina Lupali Sing Ahum Consolation Prize Oina Mahiroi Tareta Pigani Changdamnabasi Fongi Mamal Lupayang Kai Katani Lanjanari Basingi Oinadi Se Laujeroi Tidim Ground Gimayok Naba Kwakatel Tonogzam Laikai Dalaiba Manipuri Students Federation Gi Mayai Loisang Mahisang Singamasung www.icmtm.com dagi Pong Pambigani Akupa Marol Singh mobile number 9366694067 Natraga 708593598 dagi Khangbiba Yagani Break matung da mayam mutaram nongshari makata pausing pizeri Haukiba September gitang tarukta People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglaipak Pre-Paki Lanmi Sanglup Red Army RAG Kader Tongbram Boris Atopaming Thangalakpa Sahi Taramapan Red Army ge United Base Area 707 Mobile Battalion da Msagi Anaba Mana Maramoiduna Laikidre Hairi Mana Laikidabada Lupasina Awaba Pongdok Pagaloina Ikai Kumnaba Ulagli Ngasi Lona Tinkrabala Loluf Prefaki Department of Publicity and Propaganda gi Publicity Officer Mangal Kumana Kujek Piduna Thador ki Baserolamada Tongbram Boris Atopaming Thangalakpana Manung Matam Sadana Laikidabada Prepak Amasung Masigi Lanmi Sanglup Red Army na Ningtam Yaol ge Mapung Faba Ikai Kumnaba Ulli Tongbram Boris Atopaming Thangalakpa Bisnupur District ki Thanga Morang Them Laikai Dalaiba Laikidraba Tongbram Bobby Amasung Tongbram Ongbi Avemna Poksaba Masanupani Ningtamba Sakotpa Manaba Kunai Ama Purakna Bigdamag Ningtam Yaul Sathariba Prefakta Tongbram Borisna Red Army ge Yankum de Suba Vetski Basic Military Training Fanglaba Matungda Party gi Kader Ama Oina Army number 24085330 Piduna Wasak Lauraba Matung Red Army Ama Oiraki Athoba Sina Manung Matam Sadana Laikidaba Sida Prepak Amasung Masigi Lanmi Sanglup Red Army na Awang Batakta Ikai Kumnaba Utpagaloina Imung Manung Marimata sagai na te amadi maru mapang singna thengna horiba awaba da su thamoi sona saru yari haina zero la sida phongdorok le All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko Giminyang Makada Imphal West District United Clubs Organization IWDUC on a Sinduna District Asigi Tuan Bamafam Singda Agriculture Department ka kusam narga Urea Harian Toktuna Lakpi Sromoinanga Sisu YPC Tayal Kolom Laikai ga Loidana Lomi Singda subsidized rate Urea Harsing and Tokray Thoromaduda Imphal West District United Clubs Organization Amadi YPC gi Thomi Sing Susaruyaki Loishalakpada Moribo Pauxing Mokana Pangbigani. Indo-Myanmar border fencing khaba lepkadabane amasung FMR amukana sanahangadabane haina taksaladuna Naga taba mafam singda United Naga Council UN sina matam kaktaba economic blockade hokrai amasung BJP की सीनियर लीडर कक्सिंग एसे की हानगे एमएलए वाई सुरचंद्र ओइना मेसी की हानगे एमएलए एल राधा किशोर यावना मियंग अहुम इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस तो यावख्रै Hoji Fabu Unity SKTV News to Sandok Chaba Manipuri Paulo Ijere Manipur Myam ki Punsida Kwadi Maru by State Sige Leba Sige Mani Malim Goi Pauching Damak SKTV News pu Minyang Tadun Live View Pawing Guru Sungam Kana Kurum Jere